Today we're gonna make the vanilla cake for the Army birthday. Welcome in Delgin Warrior Restaurant. I'm Sergeant Lesperance from 2503rd. Today we're gonna make the vanilla cake for the Army birthday, which consists of butter, sugar, eggs, milk, and flour. So let's go start with the butter.
I love cake since I was a kid and always had a sweet tooth for it. If I'm in the mood for something, I'll try to make it myself, had my trials and errors, and got to where I'm at now, trying to make myself better.
As you can see, the butter starts turning right. This is what the people come for the cakes, because they like the sugar. When I first got here, I didn't know how to bake a cake, because San Gonzalez was the one who taught me. San Gonzalez is my leader. He showed me the steps that I'm showing you right now that I'm making the cake. You're not supposed to put all the sugar all in once, because you need to let the sugar incorporate in the butter before you start doing everything else. Yep. We're gonna put the salt in the sugar. You can mix all the dry ingredients together, so you don't need to be worried about it later on.
What do you think of starting Lesperance?
Lesperance is killer.
For the military, I started learning from my mom a lot of baker stuff. We're gonna do the eggs and the vanilla. I'm glad I can help my battle buddies to fit them, and also they can enjoy it at the same time. He's pretty heavy, 40 to 50 pounds. Since we are done with our batter, we're gonna put them on the sheet pan. Temperature to 280, it's gonna be 45 minutes. There's nothing more exciting than jumping out the plane. No matter what time, you're a soldier first. If they say, hey, Lesperance, you jump in tomorrow, ready to jump, because that's the best thing to do.
I poke the middle to see if it's ooey-gooey. If not, then it's good to go. Yep, they're good to go. Let me tell you about this brand new Sergeant Lesperance right here. Ever since he came to the baking section, I was a little worried, skeptical. It's like, oh no, I don't know if he's gonna make it in baking. He's literally my main man. He never lets me down, always gets things on time, and without him, the majority of the stuff I make probably wouldn't be possible. We make the Swiss meringue buttercream because I don't like American buttercream. It's too sweet, too thick. This one's the perfect consistency.
Good, Gonzo. Don't get nervous in front of the camera.
I'm nervous because you guys are here. Now it's called the crumb coat. This is where it's okay for the cake to look messy. The purpose is just to glue the crumbs to the cake, so when we frost it, it doesn't look messy. I joined the Army mostly to try to take care of myself and my mother faster. It's a quick way to become independent and also to do college. It just seems like everything had the right stepping stones for me if I joined the military. And thus far, I learned a lot, especially about people, about myself, the community around me. If I stayed without the military, I would think that my life would have been a lot different. A lot different. It's gonna have a template on top of it, made out of sugar sheet with a picture on it. And it'll be good to go for tomorrow.
So I'm happy and glad to make the 250 Army birthday cake. I didn't realize I was the one making them, and San Gonzalez is gonna be the one icing the cake. So I'm glad, excited too. I was excited to make the cake.
My name is Sergeant Gonzalez from 2503rd, Delgin Warrior Restaurant, and happy 250th birthday, Army.